So let's go for another session. Let's drag this down. So 110, 28, let's call it 111. We're not gonna play on this table because we already know how it goes.
Numbers, we go the lucky numbers. We got 8 to 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. With the highest luck, yes, multi parties at 600.
We're gonna go to this one, and let's see how it goes.
Hello everyone.
Okay, we got one play here.
My
Well,
name is
two
Irene
plays.
and I'm a PRG dealer. I wish
We
you the
got 4
best of
neighbors
luck.
by 4, missing for 20, and 21 neighbors by
No more bets.
5, missing for 12. So we're gonna go for 4 by 4.
25 red.
I want to spin too goddamn late. Jeez, I hate
The winning
this.
number is 25 red. Part of a 906 and also high ended number.
Ah,
Congratulations for the
okay,
winners.
we got the unique
That's
numbers.
open.
So
Thank
we're
you.
gonna wait for the unique numbers and see how it goes. Right, guys. So right now I'm waiting for this play. So 20 to 29. So I'm just waiting for this gap over here to be
18 red.
filled. So once this gap is filled, the remaining big one is
The
this
winning
one
number
right
is
here.
18
So
red.
we're
Part
gonna
of
go with
906 and
31.
also high and even number.
Well,
Congratulations
9
for the
neighbors by
winners. The bets are
3.
open.
Yeah, 9 neighbors by 3. So that's gonna be the oh, 9 neighbors by 3 right there. 18. 18. I was waiting for 29 to
No more
start being
bets.
highlighted,
Good luck.
and it was just one spin too short. Because if it was, let's say, 0, oh no, let's say 1, 13. Okay, if it was 13, 19 would be a
26 red.
highlighted, and I would go for 9 neighbors by 3.
The winning number
But
is 26
so
black. Part of a
26,
706 and also
18,
13 high and even
26,
number. Congratulations for the
18,
winners. The bets are
26.
open.
And
Thank
yeah,
you.
this table is repeating a lot of numbers. So right now we have this gap right here. So we still have 2, 4, 5. So we want this gap to be filled, and potentially we're gonna go for
No more
this
bets.
one
Good luck.
if nothing else comes up. Because as if right now we got nothing else going on, so we gotta wait a few spins in order to
No
place
black.
our play. Number 10, number 10, it's right there.
The winning number is 10 black. Part of tier selection also low and even
So
number.
yeah, it's repeating a lot of
Congratulations for the
numbers. So I
winners.
might just leave this
The
table
bets are open.
altogether
Thank
because
you.
it might take a while for us to have a play on it. Okay, we have 17 neighbors by 8. We'll place a few
No more bets. Good luck.
splits there. Yeah, 17 neighbors by 8. So this is gonna be the first spin. Let's see how it goes. Oh, too far. 31
31 black.
opposite.
The winning number is 31 black.
We're gonna
Part
go
of
for the
line
second
6 and also
spin
high ended number. Congratulations for the
right
winners.
there.
The bets are open. Thank you.
So if this hits, we're gonna break even. Well, we're gonna lose 10 because we got 3 chips, and over here, break even. Well, the net
No more
profit is
bets.
2,
Good luck.
unless it hits on the 0, 2, 8, 11, 27, 30.
8 black.
8. 8. Okay, 8 is good. 8 is good.
The winning number is 8 black. Part of tier 6 and also low and even number. Congratulations for the winners. The
This
bets
is
are open.
25
Thank you.
neighbors. So we got 25 neighbors by 7 and 2 neighbors by 6. So essentially the same area.
No more bets. Good luck.
25 by 7. There you go. Right on 25.
The winning number is
I was
25 red. Part
debating
of a
which way
906 and also
should I
high
go,
ended
but
number.
it's too late
Congratulations for
now.
the winners.
Right,
The
so
bets
we
are
got to
open.
wait
Thank you.
4 spins for the unique numbers. In the meantime, we got nothing else going on. So I might just leave the table altogether. Well,
No more bets.
2,
Good
4,
luck.
5. Got the 5 rob.
The bets are open. Thank you.
Okay, we got 20 neighbors by 8. One here, one here. square there, and that's it.
Lower bets. Good luck.
First spin. Okay, cool. 14.
The winning number is 14. Red part of our flying section on the low and even number. Congratulations for the winner.
And we have 12 unique
The
numbers.
bets are open. Thank you.
Well, I made enough on this table, so let me hop out.
Compliments to all winners.
Okay, we
Bets
have
are
29
open.
by
Good luck.
5, which will be the bet.
Apologies.
29 by 5. So we're playing with 11.
Bets are now closed. Thank you.
Okay, so first spin. $19.
Winning number is 90
Second
red
spin.
from the Vazon Dozetta section and compliments to all winners. Bets are now open. Good luck.
You set it right here.
Bets are now closed. Thank you.
10.
Winning number is 10 black from the tier section. Compliments to all winners. Bets are now open and
So
good luck.
this is the third spin now, double up
Apologies.
bets. Number 10, 19. It's
Bets
missing
are now
for
closed.
13
Thank you.
spins now. Oh, one off. Oh no. Wait, well,
Winning
somewhere we
number
got
is
forgot it
32
here.
red from the Vazon Dozetta section and compliments to
We have
all
a chip.
winners. Bets are now open and good luck. Apologies.
We won because we had a square there. So we got some money back, which is good.
Bets
Third
are now
spin.
closed. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Welcome. I hope it made your day smiling like this to you.
Looking good as well. Yes.
Hope it makes your
Okay,
day.
117.44.
Winning number is 12 red
We
from the
definitely
Vazon to satisfaction and compliments to all winners. Bets are
reached the
open and good
targets.
luck.
117.44. Okay, we made another 11.28%.
Bets are now closed.
So
Thank
1190
you.
on display. Well, not on display, but on this session. And yeah, that's cool. What was the number? 32, 12.
Winning number is 26 black from the Vazon to
We still have the
satisfaction and
unique now. Oh,
compliments to
still
all
got
winners.
24 now.
Bets are now open and good luck.
26. That was missing for 12. We have 22 neighbors. So this section right here, 22 neighbors by 4. Missing for
Bets
20
are now closed.
spins.
Thank you.
So essentially this section right here. $19. Yeah, it might take a while
Winning
so
number
for us to get a
is
hit over here in
19
this
red
section.
from the
So
Vazon to
yeah, I'm
satisfaction
gonna
and
wrap it up.
compliments to
I'm
all
happy with
winners.
these
Bets are now open. Good
games.
luck.
Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.